Hi, I'm PVS Jyotsana and I'm working with Tata Consultancy Services from more than 20 years, and I have a project management experience of beyond 13 years. I joined this ProThoughts PMP training batch of Jan 2025, and Souvik Chatterjee was our trainer. So I just want to add some review points here. Souvik has been a very good trainer with an in-depth knowledge on PMP, and he also explained all the concepts in a very elaborate way, and he was able to resolve our issues and questions in training very patiently, which helped us understand the tools and techniques much better. So while we are into project management, we do our work, but many of the tools and techniques which are there, which are prescribed in the project management, we don't use them, because of which we may not be able to manage the projects efficiently. So this training has helped me understand those tools and techniques, and I'm planning to use them in the coming time in my project. And the other priority which I have is to complete the project management professional certification. So I would really like to thank Souvik for this elaborate and very in-depth training that we had. Thank you.